Hello everyone, welcome to my StudyTech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make a bar plot with the help of R. So we were gonna make this bar plot in R. So for that you have to go the video description and this is the link. So here I made all script and the data. Go to it. This is the R script and this is the CSV table data. Let's download the script and again download the data. Let's check it. So here is the script and data. Let's cut it and paste it in the documents in my working directory here. So here is the CSV file data and the script. Let's open the R and open the script again. So here is the script. First we have to load the library ggpubr and the library this one. If you need to install it, just use this script to install these two library. So let's check the library. So there is no package. So to install this library, copy, go to package, install, paste the package name. Hopefully it will reflect, then install. So install process is done. After installation, load these two library. Paste and enter. So this two library is loaded. Let's clean it. Then we have to upload or load the data. So the command is read CSV and CSV file is data CSV as a data frame. Let's okay. You have to make this folder as a working directory. Let's go to this and set working directory. So now this StudyTech folder is the working directory. So it all is also contained the data.csv. Let's load the data, copy and pasting here and enter. So loading of the data is done. The next script, let's view the data. So view the data. Let's copy and paste here and enter. So you can see the table format of data is here. So here is this is a sample 1 and its data point. Here is a 10 data point for sample 1, then sample B, There is also 10 data point for sample B, and there is sample C 10 data point, total 30. So to make the bar plot, we have the bar plot script. Let's copy it and going to paste here. Let's remove all these things and paste it here. So the script is gg bar plot for the data frame. It is the data, and x, the sample will be the x-axis and the value will be the y-axis. And after that add the mean SE. SE means standard error, and also add the gletter and fill the column, fill the bar with the red color. Let's enter. So here is the plot. Here is the bar plot. The sample 1, sample A, sample B and sample C. Here is the value. You can export this bar plot by save as an image and save. Let's check the image in our StudyTech working directory. Here is the image. Let's check it. So here is the image. If the image is not sufficient, you can also go for export as a PDF. Let's save as a PDF and let's check this PDF. So you can see this is a high resolution picture of this bar plot. You can load this PDF in Adobe Photoshop for final processing. So now you can place your value and sample in this CSV file, and after that you can load your data in this R Studio and make your own bar plot. So it is that whole tutorial. I am making other R tutorials for you, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.